Of course, we're back again with the F-150. It's time for an oil change, and I'm going to put some of the Valvoline Restore and Protect in it. It does have a little bit of a, leaking issue. It is leaking a little, but it is kind of burning a little bit of oil. So maybe the Valvoline Restore and Protect can clean this motor up. This is a second-hand truck, or I don't know, 15-hand truck. It's new to me, basically what I'm saying. I had it for about 2 years now, and since the Valvoline Restore and Protect came out, I tried it in one of my trucks, and I seen other people try it, and I know, we tried it on some people's cars we worked on, and it's did miracles for them. So we're gonna stick it in this. So, what's your experience with this Valvoline Restore and Protect? So I got everything drained. It's simple. Different cars can be different. I tell you, on these 4.6s, the hardest thing is getting the oil filter into the frame and stuff, and this is two-wheel drive. So let's go ahead and add an engine Restore and Protect on it, and we'll test drive it. Pretty sure this holds 6 quarts. Could hold 5, but I'm pretty sure a 4.6 holds 6 quarts. So I picked up 6 quarts. If it don't hold 6 quarts, and I just have some, extra. I'm using 5W20 Restore and Protect. Might be a little bit easier to hit now with a tunnel. I mean, this stuff is expensive. You don't want to lose most of it. Oh, I done missed the tunnel. Oh, it went inside. It worked out. It's nice to have an under hood light. So now I'm going to add the other quart, then I'm going to check the dipstick, then we'll take it on a test drive and listen for engine noises and stuff like that. Which this engine was pretty quiet, but it might be actually more quiet now. I don't know. Let's see. Well, I don't know if you can see inside this, but she's a little dirty. Tarnished up and stuff. Can you see better? Probably better I'll turn the phone flash on. Oh, there you go. Get a good look. Hopefully, engine Restore fixes this motor up. I put valve cover gaskets on it. I think it was a little gunky. I don't remember if I did a video on it. It was a pain putting them on this, but let's test drive it. Oh, oil pressure is about the same. It always stays. And let's see if oil pressure dropped, because I was pretty much 3 quarts low of oil on this. I ain't put oil in this truck since the last oil change, and I had this truck about 2 years, maybe. They take better care of it, but it's just an old shop truck. But it's been a good one, so we need to try to make things last anymore with the prices of stuff. And new cars and stuff just ain't good quality anymore. So when I go down this hill, usually my oil pressure drops to 0. But I was so low on oil. So let's see. Did I fix it? Fixed. What it was, I think I was sucking air. I was so low on oil. I need a oil low light on these. That would help out a lot. But the engine is so much more quieter. So I'm going to take this on a drive. And let's see how it does. I'll let you know when I'm done. The truck's doing much better. It actually seems to run a little bit smoother. And it is actually quieter than I'm used to. It sounds really good in there. So it'll take a while for the engine Restore and Protect to, do the cleaning. They say up to 3 normal oil changes. But I'm starting to like this oil. Comment below. Do you like it? I enjoy hearing from everybody. Yeah, this old 4.6 still sounds pretty good. And get subscribed, and I'll see you on the next video.